This little faux plant has been sitting in my laundry room, and you know how dusty it gets in there because the entryway is next to the garage, so dust really accumulates. Well, let me show you an easy method to use to just melt that dust right off the plant. Actually, I use lemon pledge spray, but because I don't have any, I'm going to experiment with the lemon pledge oil. So let's see how that works. I would suggest that you do it outside, either in the yard or garage or somewhere that you don't really care about the floor. Okay, it's fully saturated. So we're going to give it time to finish dripping and dry, and I'll show you the final results on how the oil worked. As I stated, I would recommend the spray kind. That's what I generally use, but I don't have any, so let's just see how this one works. Final results. How pretty is that? Every now and then, just look up. Look up at your ceiling fans, especially after summertime, fall is coming. Take a look at those ceiling fans and look at all the dust that collects on those. You want to make sure you keep those clean so that it won't make you cough or sneeze at night. Sometimes when you're coughing, like, what's going on? Dust bunnies are getting in your throat from the ceiling fan. So we're going to take care of that. Just, you can either use a cloth or a duster. Either tool can be used to dust your ceiling fans. This one, of course, has a long wand to it. The green one, you can tell, is very old. I use it a lot. And then, of course, I was standing on a ladder to use that orange one. A cloth, any type of rag, anything you have, of course, can be used to dust a ceiling fan. Cobwebs build up in the garage. Use your lawn blower. Instantly clean. I hope you can see a difference. This light is so bright in here, but as you can see, I blowed it and all the cobwebs are gone in your garage. You can do this in the corners or any other area that you want. You know, over time, those light switches get extremely dirty from little hands with syrup, husbands working in garages or whatever. And I'm going to show you an easy way to clean those. It is tedious because what you're going to use are very small items because you don't want to electrocute yourself. So get you some Q-tips. Get you a few of those toothpicks. My favorite cleaner is Clorox spray cleaner. And I use a cup. What I do is I spray that Clorox in the cup. Saturate your Q-tip. So you just take your Q-tip and you rub it. Rub, rub. Don't want to get this thing too wet. Take your Q-tip and just go into those areas and dig out all that gunk. And just wiping it on a paper towel. And wipe that off. Go up the opposite direction. It is live at this point, so you'll need to take your time and saturate it again with the Q-tip and the bleach. Do not wet it entirely. Looks a lot better than having those extremely dirty light switches. Don't spend all day cleaning your mirrors in your house with rags or paper towels, newspapers, whatever you use. Girl, get you a squeegee. You'll be through in a matter of minutes. Fingerprints on the glass door. Squeegee. Instant clean. After you finish loading your dishwasher and you're ready to turn on that cycle, girl, I don't trust dishwashers like that. I take this Clorox cleaner, which kills 99% of bacteria, spray my silverware. I don't do the other dishes, I just do the silverware for that extra clean. If you don't have the Clorox, you can use whatever detergents you have as long as it kills bacteria. I'm in this kitchen demonstrating how to sanitize your dishes before you turn on your wash cycle in your dishwasher. So I'm washing up all of the other dishes, and I noticed this man done ruined my skillet. I mean, totally ruined it. As your grandmother would say, ruined. For those who don't know what ruined means, to destroy. He just done destroyed this skillet. I mean, using forks or whatever he's been using in it. This is my blue diamond skillet. I love this skillet. Well, it's gone now. Ladies, another tip. If your husband cannot cook, don't let him near your dishware.